Hello everyone, welcome along. Today now we're going to be installing the switch block onto the brake side of the Goldwing. We have a customer's Goldwing in here today for some upgrades, if you want to call them that. He wants some chrome accessories added onto the bike. The first thing we're going to install anyway will be the switch block. So without further ado, let's go and check out the bike. Now, we'll start by doing the unboxing, and then we'll go along to the bike and install. It's relatively easy to install. You just have two wires to connect into the fuse box, and you have your three wires that come out as the accessory. So, this is it, the chrome switch bank. It also comes in black. So that's what the box contains. So follow me over to the bike now and we'll start the installation. Okay, to install the switch block, first we'll remove the master cylinder cover. So we start again. Okay, to install the switch block, we'll remove the master cylinder cover. We'll be using the existing cover, but we won't be using the screws. These are long. Yeah. Same on the other side. Yeah. Now let's try and do this without removing anything. It'll be pushable. Just open this bolt and hopefully we can then give ourselves a bit of a gap to run the cable through. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Join us on our YouTube channel, Shinywing European Goldwing Specialists. Customers wondering why his charger wasn't working. I think we found that problem anyway. We'll sort that out for him. So we'll bring the cables all into the glove box area. And make sure you don't do them too tight, and it's good. The cables be pulled on the steering when you're turning. So make sure you have enough slack up there for that in the head. Just tuck that in there nice and neatly. Make sure the steering is not affected. So we now have our 3 cables in the glove box, and we can pull off them whenever we wish. And we'll just get these ones down. There he is. That's great. Put it all the way through. So we now pull the cable through. So we're going to wire them into the ignition terminal. Check to make sure top is positive, bottom is neutral, negative. Now we're going to change this connector for an eyelet. Of course, I did drop the nut down in the middle of the bike, so thankfully I have a couple of spares. So that's the switch block all ready to go, installed and everything. Just take the feeds off it as you need it. So I hope now that installation was of some use to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. And I'll talk to you again on the next video. It's goodbye from Paul.
With